Hey guys, Mr. Waidu Haq here, back with another video. If you've not checked out my last video, go check it out. It's the one on the cold start, what it sounds like and stuff like that. So yeah, today I'm doing a normal one, which is 90-degree start. So it'll just be called normal startup, I guess. Yeah, see if you can tell the difference or anything. Guys, so to start this car, you have to put your foot on the brake and then turn your key pulley. So yeah, I'll do it when there's no people going around, so there's less sound so you can hear the engine. It's quite a busy time. Okay, go for it now. Ready guys? Okay, I'm at 90 degrees as well. Alright guys, I'm going to be doing some exhaust note sounds and stuff like that, so stay tuned for them, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye guys, subscribe to my channel if you're not. Bye.